You may have seen some dashcam videos that I have produced in which I reviewed dashcams. Now it's come to my attention that people are using dashcams more widely, but they're not taking full advantage of them. There is a dashcam feature that a lot of people are overlooking, they're ignoring, they're not bothering with. If you have a dashcam and you have this feature, then you should be using it. There are two ways of doing this, and it's important to do it because it's all down to personal safety. Okay, so if you're using a dash cam and you want to take photos of specific events, possibly when you're parked up, having remote control over the dash cam, either to take a still or to record an emergency film, is really important. Now, increasingly, dash cams are opting for voice control. So using a voice command, you can initiate the snapping of a photo or the recording of some footage. Usually it's limited to 10 seconds. If you don't have voice control, then you really need a remote control. Using a remote control inauspiciously, without drawing attention to yourself, whether you're parked up or driving, you can have it mounted next to your steering wheel on your dashboard somewhere where you can quickly just tap the button and make that recording, capture that photo, and not draw attention to yourself, not put yourself in danger. Stories of people being threatened by passing bikers or whatever because they've had the audacity to take a photo of what they perceive to be an illegal act and feel that it should be reported to the authorities. That's the nature of dash cams. We're recording potential illegality, accidents, for insurers, for the police to do something about it. So this isn't doing anything out of the ordinary. This isn't taking things beyond the purpose of a dash cam. It is for personal safety. Dash cams ensure your personal safety and well-being one way or another. So if you have the voice control on your dash cam, check the instructions, set it up. If you have a remote control for your dash cam, then it's time to ensure that it's got a battery in it, that it's synced, and that you've got it mounted in your car ready to use. That's all from me. Until next time, take it easy.